Listen, if your car is as gross as mine is, stop paying for the vacuum at the car wash and buy this little tiny vacuum off of the TikTok shop. I will tell you that I did not have high hopes for this thing. It is so tiny. The chamber is about the size of the palm of my hand. But this thing picked up every ounce of dirt in my car. And what's so cool about this thing is, it doesn't take up a lot of room. B, it does not require batteries because it has a USB to C charging port. And C, if I didn't already list that, it also blows air out the opposite end, so you can vacuum and you can blow the dust out of all your vents. This thing is amazing and it is cheap. It even has its own little filter. It's linked below.